Picture this scenario. You wake up, reach for your phone, and instinctively check your favorite crypto app. The anticipation is palpable. And what do you find? Your portfolio has swung wildly overnight, a dizzying dance of digital assets. It's either soaring to new heights, up, or plummeting into the depths, sometimes by double digits. The volatility can be breathtaking. The crazy part? You didn't buy or sell a single coin. Yet your net worth experienced a significant shift while you were sound asleep, dreaming peacefully. Welcome to the crypto market, a world unlike any other. It's a realm of dramatic ups and downs, a constant state of flux, exhilarating one moment, filling you with a sense of triumph, and utterly terrifying the next, leaving you questioning everything. But what exactly causes these dramatic swings? What forces are at play behind the scenes? It's not some kind of magic trick, nor is it simply pure, unadulterated chaos. There's a method to the madness. Powerful, often unseen forces are constantly at play, pushing and pulling prices in unpredictable directions. Understanding these forces is the first crucial step towards not just surviving the crypto market, but actually thriving within it. We'll break down the complex headlines that have the power to move markets. We'll analyze the actions of the whales, the large institutional investors who have the power to make significant waves, and we'll explore the groundbreaking tech upgrades that are constantly reshaping the landscape and changing everything we thought we knew. It's undeniably a complex ecosystem, a web of interconnected factors, but it's certainly not impossible to understand with the right guidance. The key is to look past the surface level, to look past the flashing numbers and the confusing jargon, and see the underlying stories that are unfolding, see the people, the innovators, and the entrepreneurs who are driving this revolution forward. This isn't just about making a quick buck or chasing fleeting profits. It's about understanding a fundamental revolution that's taking place in the world of finance, a paradigm shift that's reshaping the global economy. Volatility is an inherent part of the story, an unavoidable aspect of this new frontier. It's a sign of a young, rapidly evolving market, a testament to the dynamic forces at play. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to see far more than just red or green numbers on a screen. You'll gain a deep understanding of the underlying reasons behind those movements, the factors that drive the market's behavior. You'll develop a mental map, a framework for navigating the complex twists and turns of the crypto landscape with confidence. So, grab a cup of coffee, find a comfortable spot, and settle in. Let's pull back the curtain and reveal what really moves the crypto market, exposing the hidden mechanisms and the key players. Ready to take the plunge? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of crypto together. The roller coaster is just getting started and the ride is sure to be wild. Hold on tight because it's going to be an adventure. Let's start with the most visible force that shapes the crypto landscape: news. It's the constant stream of information that can make or break a project, influence investor sentiment, and ultimately, drive market movements. In crypto, news is absolutely everywhere. It's a 24/7 cycle, from rapid-fire tweets to in-depth YouTube analyses, Reddit rumors, and of course, the constant barrage of headlines. Information spreads instantly across the digital realm, amplified by social media and instant notifications, and the market, known for its volatility, reacts just as fast, often with dramatic price swings. Remember the frenzy when Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin? Prices soared to incredible heights on hype and speculation alone, fueled by the power of a single tweet. It wasn't necessarily about the underlying technology or widespread adoption, just pure influence and market sentiment, showcasing the power of social media in the crypto world. Of course, bad news works the same way, but in reverse. If a country suddenly announces a ban on Bitcoin, or a major cryptocurrency exchange reports a significant hack, then widespread panic selling inevitably follows, driving prices down sharply. The infamous Mt. Gox hack back in 2014 sent shockwaves through the market and crashed Bitcoin's price, and triggered a prolonged and painful bear market that lasted for years. These kinds of events inevitably create widespread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, leading to incredibly volatile price swings that can be both terrifying and potentially profitable. To survive and thrive in this environment, you absolutely need to be able to separate the signal from the overwhelming noise. Always ask yourself, is this real, verified news, or is it just baseless hype designed to manipulate the market? Is this a fundamental shift in the project or the market, or is it simply a fleeting rumor with no substance? Remember, the market often reacts to the initial stories first, and only considers the cold hard facts much later. So think critically, do your own research, and above all, don't get swept up in the powerful currents of emotion. In the fast-paced world of crypto, the ability to remain rational and objective is a true superpower. Now let's talk about the whales, individuals or institutions holding massive amounts of crypto. Their trades can move the entire market. Sometimes they sell quietly using over-the-counter deals or algorithms. Other times they make a splash, triggering panic or euphoria. The blockchain is public, so analysts track big wallets for clues. When a whale moves coins to an exchange, it could signal a big sale. Institutional players like Tesla and MicroStrategy have become new whales, amplifying their influence. Whales are a constant, often invisible force shaping the market. Understanding their moves is crucial for any crypto investor. Watch the waves. They can make or break your day. Beyond hype and big players, technology upgrades drive the market. Every crypto is software, and upgrades, like Ethereum's merge, can boost speed, security, and value. Anticipated upgrades often send prices soaring as investors bet on a better future, but upgrades can also cause splits like the Bitcoin Cash fork, creating uncertainty and volatility. Always check a project's roadmap and development activity. Is the team active? Are they solving real problems? Strong tech foundations create lasting value. Hype fades, but real innovation drives sustainable growth. Don't just watch the price, watch the progress. The best projects are always building. What is the final and perhaps most potent force at play in the market? It's human emotion, specifically fear and greed. These primal instincts are powerful drivers of market behavior. Greed relentlessly fuels bull runs, pushing prices to seemingly unsustainable heights. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, compels people to buy at the very top, often ignoring fundamental analysis. Conversely, fear triggers panic selling and rapid market crashes, wiping out fortunes in a matter of hours. These powerful emotions amplify even small market movements, turning them into significant and often unpredictable trends. FOMO, that nagging feeling of being left behind, drives prices skyward as everyone rushes in, hoping to catch the wave. FUD, or fear, uncertainty and doubt, sends prices spiraling downwards as panic spreads like wildfire through the market. Remember the legendary advice from Warren Buffett? Be fearful when others are greedy, and conversely, be greedy when others are consumed by fear. This is the essence of contrarian investing. But of course, this is often easier said than done in the heat of the moment. The real key to success lies in your ability to manage your own emotions effectively. Before you even consider investing, take the time to set clear goals and define your exit points. Above all else, stick rigidly to your predefined plan, and don't let your feelings dictate your actions. In the volatile world of crypto, discipline is your anchor, keeping you grounded amidst the storm. Master your own mind, and you will ultimately master the market. Crypto is wild and unpredictable, but you don't need to predict every move. Rule 1. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Don't follow hype or influencers blindly. Understand the project, the team, and the tokenomics. Consider dollar-cost averaging, invest small amounts regularly to smooth out volatility. Be patient and think long-term. Real value takes time to build. There will be booms and busts, excitement and boredom. Zoom out and focus on the big picture. If you believe in the technology, short-term swings are just noise. Welcome to the journey. Let's ride the crypto roller coaster together.